So let's see how to use this documentary collage template inside of Adobe After Effects. So once you download this template, you should get this zip file. Now just unzip it and you will get this folder over here. Now just open up that and you will find these folders inside it. Now if you open up this After Effects folder, this is the actual project file which you need to double click and open up. But before that, if you want to use the same font that I've used, then I will recommend you to copy and paste these font links to your browser, download and install it. There is 2 different fonts and these are completely free for commercial use. Okay, so once you install it, now just open up this project file. So double click on it and it will be open up over here. So as you can see right now over here, I'm in this color composition, but this is the final composition which you can render. You can render this final one or the color one, it doesn't matter. Inside the color one, you will find all of these different scenes are placed over here. Each scene are 15 seconds long by default. So if you want to increase it, so you can just increase it something like that and select the other scenes and readjust it over here. If you don't like some of the scenes, you can select multiple scenes and delete it, and you can again reorder these stuffs over here. So you get the idea. So once you finish reordering, make sure to set the output properly over here. Okay, now let's see how to change images, change text, color, etc. So if you come over here to this project bin, you will find 3 different folders. So first one is the edit, and then the final, and then assets. Inside the edit, you will find the color, media and text, and then in the final, you will find a final composition which is open by default, and in the assets you can ignore the asset one. Okay, now let's see how to change this scene 1 media and text. So to change it, you can just open up this media folder and open up the scene 1 folder, and you will find these media placeholders. So there is 2 different main media file, which is this one, and this is the real media, which is this black frame over here. So you get the idea. And to change the text, you have to open up this scene 1 and over here. You just have to double click on them and you can edit it over here. But another way you can edit it, which is much more easier, you just need to double click on these scene compositions and they will be open up over here. And from the timeline, you can access all of this text and media. In my opinion, this one is much more easier to edit. So over here, let's change this media placeholders. So first I'm going to import some media. Now you can just select this main media over here, double click on them, and they will be open up over here side by side. I'm going to drag and drop these images. And for the transform, you can just go over here and scale this down, or you can change the position, whatever you want. Same for the other image. Like so. So once you're done, just close this media and come back to your scene. As you can see, it has been replaced. Now for this real media, just double click on them and they will be open up over here. And in the same way, you have to import your medias. So I'm just gonna copy the same image over here just for the sake of the time. So I'm gonna copy and paste everything over here. Now if I just close everything, it will be replaced. Okay, now for the text, you have this text over here. So double click on the text 1. You can change your text over here, whatever you type. And you can just go back, it will be replaced. Same thing for the text 2 and text 3. So in the same step, you can go to any scene you want and edit them over here. Okay, now let's see how to change the colors. So for the colors, in the color composition, or over here, which is over here, you can select this color control layer. And from this effects control, you can find these color settings. So at first you will find this photo frame black and white. If we just turn on that, let me just go over here and turn on this black and white. It will black and white this main photo frame images. And if you want to black and white this reels images, just click on this flame reel black and white. And then over here, all text color, you can change the text color over here. You can change the elements color over here. This is the overall frame over here. You can change the color, image frames color, etc., background color. And underneath, you will change the lightly opacity, noise, scratch, opacity, and colors. And if you just go inside these individual scenes, there also a color control. So once you select it, from here you can change the text position, scale, and rotation. Basically, all of the text transforms. You can control it over here. So once you're happy with your edit, now set the output properly and you can render.